Y'all, let me go ahead and give y'all a real quick reason why I like to use pickles instead of using relish, because I don't like that little slimy shit that be in that relish, whatchamacallit. I'm not with it. That's all I think about when I haul off and put my damn sandwich in my mouth and take a bite out of it. Is all that slimy shit that comes right on up out of that relish, whatchamacallit. Like, if it's in vinegar, honey, boo-boo, it's not gonna spoil. So I don't know why you trying your luck with that relish. Check this out. Get you some pickles, or get you a big pickle, dice it all up, just like I did this. Okay? And dice it up like this, okay? Put your other little Stella Bistro, rustic Italian, sultry spice, a little dash of Noches Mexicanas up in there. And let me tell you something. You gonna taste the difference. Oh, you think I'm playing, but I'm telling you the truth. Try it and put your comment down below. Slimy free. Go ahead and get your waters together for your chicken. So just a little fun fact for y'all. We're in the midst of boiling our chicken for our chicken salad, right? But guess what? You can actually save this chicken broth and freeze it, and now you have chicken stock for soup. Do not judge me. I am a caterer. This is why I got this big ass thing of mayonnaise. But yes, just put in a couple tablespoons at a time. I'm not a person that hauls off and likes it to be like real slimy. So just, just taking it step by step, in the words of Whitney.